everyone and welcome in today's video. In today's video I'm gonna cook something created by Cuisine. So you may have noticed it's a French guy. This is basically the first time I'm trying one of his recipes, so I don't know how it's gonna be, but I'm super excited because this cake, yes, we're gonna bake a cake, but this cake looks so delicious. I can't wait. I'm doing a lot of sugar type of things. But sometimes I shall show you some other recipes as well. Don't worry about that. But yeah, for now it's gonna be a cake again or something with sugar in it. This cake is an almond cake. I love almonds, so yeah, I'm so impatient. This recipe looks so easy. It's basically you take everything, mix together, we're done. Oh, put it in the oven, of course, but you don't have to think much more about stuff. You take everything together, mix everything, and we're good to go. So I'm always up for that kind of stuff, and if it's amazingly delicious, I mean. So for this recipe you'll need almond powder, sugar, eggs, flour, banana, applesauce. You can add chopped almonds, but I personally won't. And then vanilla or cinnamon or almond extract or honey. Also, you'll find the link in the description. It's in French, but maybe you'll want to check it out anyway, or maybe you can understand French. Anyway, enough talking, time to cook. I asked my assistant to do it for me. Et voilà! Look, here is the result. It smells so good, but it's still too hot to taste it. It has some kind of a weird shape, but I don't really mind. Oh, and if you were wondering, the banana, the honey, and I think it's all are things you can add on top of this cake if you wish. It's not included in this recipe, it's just some kind of a topping. I'm back. So I took just a small piece. As you can tell, it's super thin, but it's because of what I used to bake it. I just took a small piece of that because I wanted to taste it, but I'm definitely not hungry. So I just ate my dinner. There is nothing on it, as you can tell. As I said, you can add honey and banana on it if you want. But I didn't. Let's see. That's good. I like it. thumbs up. So yeah, that's very simple to do. Maybe next time I shall change some few things to have it a little bit thicker. Need to cut that. I like it. I mean, almond powder. I love this, so it's definitely a recipe I will try again in the future. I think it's worth it. It's so simple. You take everything and mix together. That's it. I recommend it. So that was it for today. Hope you guys enjoyed this video. Thank you for watching, commenting, sharing, liking, everything. And I will see you guys in the next video. Bye bye!